Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how we can actually delete any product from the admin panel. I mean our admin can delete product. So here you can see we have two buttons, update and delete button. So if I click on delete, let's our admin click on delete, then the product will be deleted. And here in the reference we have to actually add a route. So here we have to give a route because when admin will click it, then it will actually go to the admin controller, right, through a route. So here I'm going to give a route. So route name will be, here I will actually pass an ID with it, and the ID will be product ID. So I'm going to say here $product ID. So let me go to the product table. Here you can see we have ID here, product ID. Let's copy it and go to the web.php to create a route. I'm going to create a route here because this is for the admin middleware, and here I will actually copy any of the get route. Here you can see we have a get route here, so I can actually copy it and paste it here. So this is admin dot product, and I'm going to cut it and let's change the name here. And with it we have to actually add here an ID because we have passed an ID with it, right? Okay. So it will actually go to the admin controller, and here I'm going to actually copy it and paste it here, and the P will be capital letter, delete product. So let's go and create a function in admin controller. So I'll say public function, the function name, and then here we have to pass ID because we have ID in the URL, so we have to pass it. And then here I'm going to say $product. So I have to actually say here that product model : find or fail product ID. So I will say $ID, and it will actually find me the exact product actually I want to show delete. So here I'm going to say $product delete. So and now the product will be deleted, and we'll actually redirect him, the admin, redirect back. And here I want to actually show message. I will say delete message, delete product underscore message, and here I'm going to add the message also, that is deleted successfully. I'll say product deleted successfully. So now I'll go back to the view product, and here I'm going to add one more session. So I'm going to copy it and paste it here. This is the session name, right? Delete message. So I'm going to copy it and paste it here, and background will be orange red. Okay, fine. Okay, done. Now here let me check if I refresh. Now I want to delete this one. If I click on delete, here you can see a pop-up message. If I cancel, it will not be deleted. Why? Let me show you. Here you can see I have added on click here, on click, and then I have used a function that is confirm, that are you sure? If okay, then it will actually be deleted. So you can see this is the test. Okay, and I want to actually delete this, so I'm going to say delete. Okay, and here you can see product deleted successfully. Here you can see ID4 is deleted, so it's deleted successfully, right? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.